Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to install the SodaStream CO2 cylinder. This is the quick connect cylinder from SodaStream, and I'm going to demonstrate to you the installation process on this SodaStream Terra model, but the process is very similar on other models as well. So let's just have the rear side on the behind here, and this one is opened by just pulling on the plastic cover here. And after that we can see there is, this might be pink or a different color on some models, but the only thing you need to do is pull this lever up. Next, remove this cover from the top. And now we can see the connection here. You can see that the bottle is a bit differently shaped, but for this installation process it really doesn't matter. The instructions don't say anything else except to put the bottom first in and then push it in from here, and after that I just pull this lever down and it lifts the bottle up into place, and that's pretty much it. Next, on this Terra model, the cover goes in first from the bottom and snaps in from the top, and you're done. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.